What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you look at this stock KTM stainless steel header, you can see that it has like a brownish tint to it, and they all have that. That's normal. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of that and clean your stainless steel, and this works on titanium as well. So stay tuned while I clean this FMF and the stock pipe. Got it off, and now I'm going to go clean it up, get the dirt off of it. So here's the pipe after it was cleaned up. Now this was just green Scotch-Brite. I scrubbed it with warm soapy water, and that's the best I could get it. I'm not too worried about it. I mean, there's dings and dents in it. It's a used pipe, and I'm gonna get a new end cap for it here soon. Here's a secret if you wanna clean up stainless steel, and it can work on titanium, but I didn't wanna risk it because it's just an acid. It's phosphoric acid that I use. But yeah, this is a stock exhaust from KTM. It's stainless. It cleaned up super nice. It doesn't have that kind of brownish color it has from factory, and then a stock silencer that just has a carbon guard on it. But either way, what I do to clean it is I have phosphoric acid. Now I use a specific kind. Find your own kind that you like to use. And I use 2 grades of steel wool. This more aggressive one, when I'm stripping off old color and some grime and grease, but to finish, I really like to use this fine grade because it just gives it such a nice finish. I mean, you can't complain about this. It looks like something that you'd see on a fridge. So here I go. This is a stock one. The camera doesn't really show it unless it's at certain angles, but it kind of has like an orangish tint to it. And then I just brush this on. I'll do this section just for an example. This is a coarser of the steel wool. And then I'll show you guys once it's farther along. All right, I wiped down the entire thing with the phosphoric acid, and then just scrubbed it with this very coarse steel wool for a little bit, and then you just wipe it off in the end. And then I'm still gonna use this very fine steel wool. I'll go over it one more time real quick, the whole pipe, after I wipe it off, and I'll scrub it down with this very fine piece of steel wool, just to give it a nice finish, and I'll show you guys when it's done. And this is what it looks like, done. I could scrub it more and get it even better, but it doesn't matter. This is just a spare one. I just did it to show you guys in this video, kind of a back-to-back comparison. You know, I could definitely scrub this part up more and get it a little bit better, but as you can see, compared to like the orangish finish it had, when you scrub with the steel wool, you can see the old like orange color come off. If you like the way this turned out, make sure you leave a like on this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more like this. I have lots of tips and tricks here in the future, and I'd like for you guys to follow along.